slow internet 3G 4G changing APN after Get Fast Internet change. Internet speed apply new APN settings for Android phone. Let's see full settings step by step in this video. Go to Phone Settings, SIM and Network Settings. Select SIM card for new APN. Access point name. Click on plus icon, add new APN. Now put all important settings this page. Tab on name. Tab on APN. Server. Authentication type, PAP/CHAP. APN type. APN protocol, IPv4 IPv6. APN roaming protocol, IPv4 IPv6. Now save all settings after check your phone internet speed. Please subscribe my channel, like, share.